Okay, so this is the unboxing of Raven's new knife set. Man, he just collecting this stuff up. Okay, ready? Let's see.
All right. So basically, what happened was I got this from like the school, and it was I got this from like the rehabilitation center. But I just picked this up today, and well, this is what I got.
Dun 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 dun.
Oh man, it's nothing. Oh wait a minute. Oh wait, never mind.
It's empty.
Okay.
Oh, one more than what your other knife set
Is that
has.
a cookie scoop?
This is a cookie scoop. You got a bird beak knife. You got a paring knife. Vegetable peeler. This is, what is this?
Core.
Oh, and it's an apple core.
Core.
Apple core? Oh,
Core.
cool.
Okay, what's next?
All right, so it's like the little stuff over here. I actually looked at this stuff like when I was in the institute, so I kind of know what's in here. This is like the, yeah. This was, check this out.
Ooh.
So from what I can tell you, this is like I got my straight spatula, cooking fork, boning knife, I guess whatever knife, bread knife, chef's knife. Or is this the bread knife?
That looks like the bread knife.
So this should be for what exactly? I forgot. I gotta look at my through my notes again.
What's that on the side?
What's that? Oh yes, this is the steel.
We just bought one of those.
Yeah, I know. All right, hold on.
Okay, so that's it. This won't go much longer because
In comparison.
here's his older one compared to that one. Okay, Raven,
And,
so what do you think?
Well, honestly, this is a lot. There's a lot more stuff in here. I mean, well, compare this to this. I'd say this is a pretty good score.
Yeah, it is. Here, babe. Here's my big boy. He's going to be a chef. Can cook breakfast, lunch, and dinner for his mom and dad.
Wait, what?
Okay, he's just opening up a restaurant, and mom and dad get to eat for free.
Wait, who?
Okay, discount.
Yeah.
Big discount.
Yeah.
It's a family discount.
Yeah, family discount.
It's I'm gonna kick your butt discount if you don't give it to me.
Yeah.
Thanks everybody. Really proud of him. He's coming along very nicely.
Thanks, guys. Later.